Hello guys, so let's talk about base time to buy and sell stock 4. So if you didn't watch the base buy to buy and sell stock 1, 2, and 3, which is 121 to 123. So if you didn't watch it, just go back to watch. And that will help you a lot to understand what I'm typing in this question. So you are given the integer k to represent how many transactions you could have inside this question. And I would just have the buy array and sell array to keep recording how much money I'm currently have, or how much money I'm currently sold for the buy array and sell array. So I would say in array buy and new int, and we know that k is start from 1, not start from 0, because the transaction cannot start from 0, right? So when we do the buy array and sell array, we need to give an extra space. So k plus 1, and I would say in sell equal to new in k plus 1. So I would set to the default value for buy to integer minimum value. So if you didn't understand this part, you definitely need to go back to watch the question that I just mentioned. So I'm going to try loop the price array. So in price and prices, since k is start from 1, right? Then I just say I equal to k, I less than equal to k, I plus plus. I equal to 1, so I equal to 1 and I less than to k and I plus plus. And I would say buy I will become max buy I, or the price that I just bought from the previous purchase, and then just minus price. So when you buy something, right, you need a profit. Sell is a profit. Sell is a profit, which is the previous profit minus the price, because when you buy you lose money, right? So sell is equal to max sell I, which is your current maximum, or the buy I plus price. This is how you gain a profit, right? So you can return sales k, right? So the last k, the last one, the last indices from sales array should be the maximum profit. And let me just run the code to see if there's a typo or not. Okay, that is good, but it could be better, because if k is greater than half of the length of price array, then which means you can do the transaction for every single day, right? Think about it, like if you can transaction for every single day, it doesn't matter how many transactions you could do, but if k is greater equal to the price dot length, you don't care about how many transactions you want to deal with, and you can just traverse. You need to traverse. So you need to traverse from I equal to 1 to price dot length and I plus plus, and you need the profit start from 0, and then you need to return profit at the end. So it doesn't matter how many transactions you have, right? So you just compare the price. If price I is greater than price I minus 1, and then profit will plus equal to price I minus price I minus 1. And that is definitely how you deal with the profit for every single days in the between. So when I equal to 1, so you can compare 2 and 4, and the next one is 1 and 4 if the if statement is valid. So let me just run a code to improve my time complexity. Okay, it should improve. Maybe the LeetCode service has problem, but it should improve, because if k is greater or equal to the price dot length, I already cut off a lot of efficiency. And for the time and space complexity, if you just look at this one, that would be all of n for the first for loop, and all of k for the second for loop. That would be all of n times k, and space will be all of k, and that will be the solution. And just repeat again, all of k for the space, all of n times k for the time. and that will be the solution. And good luck. And don't forget, this is better. It should be better. This LeetCode server's memory has a problem for sure. So just do it when you code it, and you'll see what happened. All right, peace out.